how to sign up in Synchrony Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser on your device. Now go to the search and search for My Synchrony and select this first link that is on top, which is the official website of Synchrony Bank. Now once you are here in this website, just at the top right corner, you can see the option of Login and simply tap on Synchrony Bank. Let's wait for some time. Now once you are here in this portal, you can scroll down and see the option of Register for online access. So just tap on it. Okay. So in order to create your account, you will be led to this page where you have to enter your social security number and then just enter your date of birth. Then simply tap on Continue. So by doing these steps, you will be able to create your profile on Synchrony Bank online banking. And that's all for today. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.